What's up guys? In this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of your headaches. I personally used to get headaches a lot and I really struggled with it, but it's easy to fix. First off, understand it's best to be preventative. It's much easier to get rid of a headache before it even starts. Almost all headaches come from dehydration. Dehydration is the cause of most headaches. If you are having headaches regularly, it is very likely that you are not consuming enough water. You cannot rely on your body alone to tell you when you're thirsty. This only works if your body has spent many years getting enough water. Then it knows how much it needs. Most of us do not hydrate effectively or properly, so our bodies don't actually know what it feels like to have enough water. Therefore, they will not make you feel thirsty. You should always be sipping on a drink. It's not about getting a certain amount of gallons per day. It's about maintaining a constant flow of water through your body. That is going to eliminate most headaches before they even happen. Now, once you have a headache, then you need to make sure you're hydrating, but hydrating alone takes like 24 to 48 hours to get rid of a hydration headache, okay? So you're gonna need to apply some other strategies. There are two kinds of headaches in my experience. There are sleep-responsive headaches, and there are active responsive headaches. If you have an active responsive headache, you need to get your heart beating. You need to move in order to get over the headache. If you have a sleep responsive headache, then you need to rest, okay? I typically assume they're sleep responsive. I'll take a nap. If I don't feel better, then I know it's an active responsive headache and I need to go out on a run, okay? So once you've identified whether it's sleep or active, get you some sleep or get some exercise. In addition to that, drink water, eat food, and have caffeine. These things are going to usually get rid of most headaches within a little bit of time. You can also take ibuprofen or another chemical, but you don't need to rely on these chemicals exclusively. You will find that if you give your body what it needs, water and food, and if you use a bit of caffeine, that's going to dilate your blood vessels a bit, increase your heart rate, this kind of thing, which helps with headaches. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao!